Greetings everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a wrap. Now it's lunchtime and this is something you can do for your lunchtime to eat. Okay, here I have the wrap. I'm gonna put a bit of butter on it. You don't have to, you can put whatever you want on it. You can put some ketchup, barbecue sauce, you know, whatever you feel like. You have a bit of cabbage, bit of carrot, and some red onion. And then I'm gonna add some ham over it. Let's put some strip of ham over it. Then I'm gonna put some cheese over. There you go. Now with this you can add any sauce you want in it. I'm gonna add a bit of barbecue sauce. And we're gonna put it together. Fold it. And then straight in the machine. This will take probably about 2-3 minutes in the machine here, just to get the cheese melt and a bit of heat through that raw onion. Please remember to like, share, and leave positive comment and subscribe. Let it have a peek and see what it looked like. Gonna give it a bit of turn them over. So you look at that. Now I'm gonna cut it open, show you what it looked like. Cut it to an angle. There you go. Nice and delicious. I'm gonna put it on a plate. I have some pineapple salsa which I made. So I'll put them onto the plate. Just put it like this. Make it look appetizing. There's some pineapple chili salsa. It's a bit here just to accompany with it. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Peace be unto you.